Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So I just want to shout out all my new subscribers that I just got. I want to say thank you to everyone who previously subscribed. I am very, very grateful and thankful that you guys are joining my family. So yeah, but this is the look that we are going for today. It is very simple. Anyone can do it, whether you have natural hair, relaxed hair. It is the easiest thing if you don't know how to sew a wig or just, you know, sew your hair in general. You can maintain this look or achieve this look by using clip-in extensions. So this is the look that we're going for. We're going to jump straight into the video, but before we start, if you have not already, please subscribe, and we're gonna get straight into the video. So I posted a video on my Instagram. So I probably should have recorded a tutorial for this hair because these are actually clip-ins, of course. And I got a lot of good response from that video. It's just basically I had some clip-ins in my hair. And one of the questions that I asked was, did you guys want to see me do a tutorial? And I got a lot of good response from it. So, and I will correct myself because I posted it on my Insta story, not an actual photo. One, because it was my first time doing clip-ins in that hairstyle. So, here we are with a video. So I'm going to be doing that and just kind of show you guys what I did to achieve that specific look. I will post the video for reference so that everybody's just kind of, the people who are now seeing that is not just like, what? So I braided the back of my hair down. I parted it across, braided this part. So one thing that I found with clip-ins, it's kind of like either you get them in your texture, which my texture is 3C, or you have to flat iron your hair. So as you can see, my natural hair is long, but in order to achieve this specific style, I did not want to have to flat iron all of my hair. So I braided this part down, and this is basically my leave out. So as you can see, I'm going to just start off kind of sectioning, and I'm just going to braid this part right here because I want this to be flat. Didn't do a video of me cornrowing my hair because one, I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I know how to braid my own hair, but to really teach somebody how to braid theirs, I don't have the skill set for that. So I just kind of do what I do. So once you get this part right here, you're going to take it and just kind of tuck that underneath so that you have like a ball. And then you're going to take a bobby pin and pin that upward so that it stays, because technically we're going to just put the clips over the braids. I find that that method works best for me, and it just prevents me from having so much breakage on my hair. All right, so you guys can get clip-ins from anywhere. I typically order mine from Amazon just because they're cheaper than a lot of places that sell them. So this is what they look like. They are human hair extensions. They basically come with 3 clips. If you haven't worn clip-ons before, these are amazing because they have the combs in it. Let's see, focus. Whatever. So anyway, they have the 3 clips in them. You press this part down into the hair and it snaps onto the hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the top first, because this part right here was really the part that was the hardest. And I learned this the hard way. And this might be a mistake that a lot of people make when doing clip-ins. In order to pull your hair in a ponytail and have it look smooth, the best thing to do is start off with the smaller pieces first. Now with clip-ins, you'll find that most of them will come with a track that has 4 clips on it, a track that has 3 clips on it. You might have some that have 2 clips on it, and then you get the singular clips, and these work best around the edges of the hair. So with these clips, the mistake that I made was I put this down, I clipped it, you hear it snap, and I tried to pull it upward. But if you look at this right here, which I know you guys can see that, if you do it that way, you will get a hump. That is not the correct way to do it. So you're gonna take the clip and you're gonna go against, I call it going against the grain, because you want it to lay flat. So you are going to put it here to where it lays flat. So I know you guys can see that's like 100% better. That is the best way when you're pulling your hair in a ponytail to do your clips. So I am going to fast forward through this video so that you guys can see that process. And here we go. City, real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga if she did. She wanna go and city after city. Brand new biz, that's how she get it. Made a couple racks, I know that's how she get it. City girls out of have fun in the city. City girls out of have fun in the city. Back keep going, gas keep going, got a girls on. So that is the last of the clip-ins, and when you are done, they should look a little something like this. Now, I might have to adjust this one a little bit and move it back, because again, you want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm gonna just put this one back a little bit further, and that's just to give this part some room, so when I go to brush it upward, that it's not looking crazy. So you see, that's much better. All right, so next you will need some edge control or some cream, and then a hairspray. So I'm using the Edin Body Works Control Glaze. This one has a very light, well, it says firm hold, but it's light. And then the Aerogant hairspray in a medium hold. I don't like a lot of product in my hair, that's just me, but you want this to lay down smoothly. So I'm only putting this product around the edges because I want a very sleek look. And I'm just gonna take a hair tie. I like these because I hate putting rubber bands in my hair. And believe it or not, this is, it's supposed to be a nail brush, but I use it as my edge brush. It's much better. All right, so when you're done, it should be smooth around the front. You shouldn't see anything. And then you just start tying it up. One thing that you will notice that is different in the video, I had the two long pieces in the front. This time I did not do that, specifically because I wanted to show you guys this. So as you can see, my edges, they are thin in certain areas. That is just from retention. It is also hereditary. So what I like to do to get a more fuller front is I use the Topic hairspray, and this is a colored hair thickener, but this one is in the shade black. So with that same edge brush, I like to shake it up. It's easier if you spray the brush because it'll start looking more thicker and you can just build it up, or you can spray directly on the area, but you will need to brush through that because it'll get concentrated in a specific area and you don't want to be walking around looking crazy. So we're just gonna brush that. So when you're done, you should have a thicker looking hairline. You're going to want to clean up around the edges, of course. You want to go in and add baby hairs. You can. This part of the hair and wrap it up. So this is what we have. These are the one that has 3 clips on it. So we're just gonna start from the back at the lowest part, and I'm going to put that down into the hair. So that is what it should look like. And then you just build on that. There we go. So my T3 trio. And it basically comes with, so you get 3 different style wands. You're gonna get a small, you get that cone shaped one, and then you get this one right here, which is probably my favorite. And then you get the wand to change. So they're interchangeable. I think we are going to use the smaller one first. So all you do is you take it, they have like the little nozzle where you can line it up. You press it down, and then this part has the indicator where it's locked and unlocked. You want to turn it and lock it.
Ayo, bump it. Ayo, bump it.
Jersey Vegas, Jersey Vegas, Jersey Vegas. Jersey Vegas, Jersey Vegas, Jersey Vegas. Let me hit it from the back. 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 Let me hit it like this, like that, like that,
Ayo, bump
like that.
Hit that from the back, like
Put your back into it. Put your stop playing. Put your back. Put your back. Put your back. Drop that shit.
Alright guys, so this is the final look, and it actually turned out really, really pretty because I put curls in it this time. So yes, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. So yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video because I'm actually doing a makeup look. So hey.